This is biggest news. US one senator presented one bill in the Senate to stop legal immigrant to purchase houses and the homes. As you know, housing crisis is elsewhere and also United States where millions of immigrants are going. And especially once again, Indians will hit. We should not, I think, make fun of this. This is a very sensitive topic. Legal Indians, legal immigrants who are currently present in United States, they are an H-1B work visa and they are closer to the green card, they are closer to the citizenship. Until now, they are not citizen of United States. They are not able to purchase any house, any home inside United States. Please beware of some property dealers of United States giving advertisements in Asian countries that purchase flats, houses inside United States. Even the people inside United States, now they also cannot purchase. If they will purchase, if they will give money to someone, they definitely may have loss and they will suffer. This is the law which need to be discussed. But I am telling, this is the intention of United States, that legal Indians, if they will purchase homes, legal immigrants, they will purchase homes, they will not go back to home country. We should not give them property. They should not be owner of the property. Remember, investment visa, golden visa is so common these days, in which countries are expecting money from different immigrants, and they want, if you are overseas immigrant and you want it to invest in the country, you can purchase any house, we will give you residency, we will give you citizenship. Now this is a question. These are two contradictory statements. These are two contradictory steps of United States. At one side, they are talking to overseas investors that invest $5 million and get US citizenship. At another side, they also talking to overseas investor, come here and purchase houses, purchase homes, and then became resident. That is investor visa. That is investor visa. Remember, if you are on investor visa, mean that you are purchasing any property and you are getting visa on this basis, then you can purchase according to this new legislation. What US wants, international money, international investment should come to United States. But the people who are in United States, they are earning from United States, they should not purchase house or homes or flats inside United States. Why the United States is taking precautionary steps for legal immigrants and mostly Indians? Unfortunately, Indians are more in the countries, in developed countries. When they count the numbers of students in Canada, the number one Indian students, they are at number one position. Second belong to Chinese. Similarly, China and India compete for immigrants. They are at number one position, at number two position. Why US is taking precautionary steps? I was talking. Reason could be only one. In my analysis, US thinks that these Indians, these legal Indians, when they will purchase house, they will never go back to home country. Now they have already a lot of illegals in their countries. They want to reduce citizenship, and they also understand when anyone will have house, definitely in USCIS he can satisfy that I have house. In citizenship test he may pass very easily, and also he can go to the court that I have residence here, I am settled here, I have my houses, I have my investment. But he is not on investment visa. He is on student visa. He is on H-1B work visa. He signed agreement. I will work, and then when tenure will finish, I will go back to the home country. what US wants when one became citizen, then he can purchase property. It means that the edge of the property ownership in the citizenship test, he will not be able to present himself as a owner of the property. Second one, when a person has property, then he will definitely stay in United States and he will try to get citizenship. When one person is not able to use money to purchase residence or investment he cannot do in United States on student visa, on work visa, he will definitely tries to invest in other developed countries. When he will invest in home country or he will invest in other countries, his intention to stay in United States will decrease. Mean he will not go for citizenship test, and might be bulk of numbers will not appear in citizenship and they will not try to get the citizenship of United States. That could be objective. But one thing is clear, intention of United States is very clear, that we will give citizenship to some eligible, useful individuals who are useful and who can escalate the economic situation, or who are useful for US citizens, or who have some skills which will give us morale to grow financially, by technology, in engineering sector, in medical sector, and especially in IT sector. So United States now banning purchasing of the homes for legals, not for illegals. Legals, they are legals, but they are being stopped by this legislation which is under process. And why I am telling this legislation may be passed, because this is a Republican and Democratic collective action, and they are talking that houses and properties should not be, must not be, not should, must not be purchased by legal people, and legal people should fight for citizenship if they want to stay. Once they get the citizenship, they can qualify to own a property. One thing should be clear through my clip: they are able to take property on rents. They can stay, they can live, they can work according to their visas, and they will keep trying on getting citizenship. Their efforts will not finish. US is not stopping them to do effort to get the citizenship, and US giving in climax that once you get the citizenship, then you can purchase property in the United States as well. Thank you very much.